Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can check viewing activity on the Netflix. First of all, we have to open the netflix.com website in our browser and then move for the right upper corner and open account. Next, scroll down, and if you want to check viewing history for this profile, just click on this arrow and then scroll down, find this option and click to view. And here you can find it. You can also download all of the history by tapping right here. Right now we just wait, it's preparing the file. And as you can see, right now you can find it and downloads on your PC. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.